Good morning, everybody. So, we start with the global market news update today. Asian shares are mixed after Wall Street decline led by falling tech stock. FDI in India's manufacturing sector hits $165 billion, 69% growth in last 10 years. FPI turn net sellers withdraw rupees 13,400 crore from equities in August. Gold falls on firmer dollar as US data takes its spotlight. US dollar rallies on month-end buying. Traders await economic data. Oil rebounds as geopolitical demand concern whipsaw investors. Now coming to the Indian market update. Nifty closed around 34 point positive yesterday, that is around 0.14%. And today's support level would be around 24,922, followed by 24,870. And today's resistance level would be around 25,216, followed by 25,264. Coming to the bank Nifty closed around negative 134 points, that is around 0.26% negative. And today's support level would be around 5740, followed by 15543. And the resistance level would be around 51,673, followed by 51,942. As far as mid cap is concerned, mid cap closed around 73 point negative, that is around 0.12%. And today's support level would be around 58,881, followed by 58,776. And the resistance level would be around 59,599, followed by 59,769. Now coming to the small cap closed around negative 13 point, that is around 0.07% negative. And today's support level would be around 19,079, followed by 19,008. And the resistance level would be around 19,602, followed by 19,729. Now coming to the sectoral update, we can see a good buying opportunities in IT sector, telecom sector, dating sector, alcohol sector, healthcare sector, consumer durable sector, uh, agriculture sector, and aviation sector. Now coming to the top deliveries, we see top deliveries in photographic product sector, reality sector, retailing sector, alcohol sector, agriculture sector, telecom sector, IT sector, miscellaneous sector, plastic product sector. Now coming to the basket recommendation, we continue to hold with the financial stock basket with the expected return of 10%. And the performance review is large cap performed till now 4.43%, auto sector performed around 1.99%, private bank performed around negative 3.08%, and FMCG performed around 7.19%, pharma sector performed around 8.49%, and Tata Group performed around 5.1%. And we can book profits in FMCG and pharma sector as they are nearby their targets.